Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am wearing an all black jumpsuit with a black crew neck sweater, black leggings, socks, like ankle socks, and well, not ankle socks, like a little bit higher than ankle socks. I think they're, oh, crew cut socks, and they're scrunched down with some Birkenstocks and this puffer vest. I am so hot. What degrees is it? I don't even know how to see the degrees on my car. It's 60 degrees, you guys. This is my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. How many of you guys went and got this? Let me know down in the comments. I mentioned this maybe like a month ago, but I love the way it makes my lips feel. My lips are a little bit chapped right now, but I'm currently leaving my house. It's just me and Maxwell. The girl's dad's in town. Shukri and Layla are at school. Sophia is with her dad, and it's just me and Max. So I have some big news that I want to share, but let me go down to my garage and empty out the car. There's some garbage in here that I want to empty out. So me and the girls have joined a Girl Scout group, and we're gonna be doing multi-level Girl Scouting, and guess who the leader is? I feel like this couldn't be the more perfect role for myself. I'm gonna be the leader of a multi-level Girl Scout group. So I'm gonna be the girls' leader, and then I have a co-leader named Natanya. I haven't met her, but I wanna meet her sometime early next week. Kind of get to know her before we meet up and have our first group. Super excited about this new endeavor in our lives. I was a Girl Scout when I was little. I was a brownie. I don't know how many years I did it. I don't think I did it that long, but I remember I loved being a part of the Girl Scouts, and I loved being part of something, and it just made me feel like really good and wholesome, and I really want my girls to experience that. So I think what better way to introduce them to Girl Scouting than with their mom as a troop leader. So super stoked to get into that. Me and Maxwell are headed to the Girl Scout office, the local office in my city right now, to pick up some group boxes, some spring boxes to start my first Girl Scout meeting. I'm kind of just thrown in there, kind of a little bit confused about where I start, but I know I need to do a Zoom meeting next week for selling Girl Scout cookies, which I'm super excited to make a Girl Scout booth, you guys. It's gonna be bougie, and you already know it, because those little Girl Scout stands that are in front of the stores, like at Walmart and Albertsons and Fred Meyer's and the gas stations and stuff, I've always wanted to make one of those. So I'm super excited. I've been looking on Pinterest for all sorts of ideas. Couldn't be any more excited. I don't know, the only thing is Girl Scouts selling cookies for this year has already started, so I don't know if our troop will be able to do it or not. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Me and Maxwell are gonna head to the office, pick up a box or a couple of boxes, and then I will jump back on with you guys in a little bit. Cannot find. Why do I not have a napkin? Oh, I do have a napkin. I didn't want to wear this. I wanted a solid color, but I only wore that because I couldn't find this, but I just found it. I just met with a couple of the Girl Scout troop leaders, got some boxes. Okay, I got some boxes for my first troop meeting, which is not going to be until, I believe, after cookie season, which is in April. Okay, so since it's just me and Max, I think I'm gonna take a little bit advantage of this time and run to Target. I wonder what they have. I did see in someone's reel, I think it was, I can't remember her name. I always forget reels, the girls' names that I watch. But I'm going to, her name, I can't remember. She had these $7 tees that she was wearing, and they looked so cute, and they were from Target. So I think I want to run there really quick and see if they have any. I think I want like a purple. I have too much pink, so I think I want like a purple, maybe like a lime green. I looked online and they had super cute colors, but I will vlog with you guys when I get to Target. Are cute. Give me kind of anthropology vibes. Super cute. $5. I wanted to get some of these for the kids for their Easter baskets, and they're $3. They're super cute, but then I was like, to wash them, and they already have little water bottles. Those just aren't, I guess, convenient for us, but they're so cute. So I already got the kids' Easter baskets, but these are really cute alternatives, and they're only $1. What a steal. I really have been wanting a new pair of gold hoops, just some super simple hoops. I don't know if I should go with these trio or just these super simple. They're both $7.99. You tired? Are you tired? We're home and the big girls are home now, and I got this Mondo Llama paint your own wood bunnies kit from Target. I think I vlogged it with you guys like last month when I got it, but they still have them. They're only $5. They're super cute. They're by Mondo Llama, and I get these from time to time, and I let the kids just paint and have a little craft time. So Shukri and Sophia, I think Layla's taking a nap, but Shukri and Sophia are gonna paint some little bunnies. Lala.
No mixing colors.
Okay, there's only 2 paintbrushes, so we're gonna have to take turns.
Well, I said I want to paint first. I said I want to paint second. Give me mine. Hey, why can't we just get another paintbrush?
He says that aggressively, huh?
Lala. No, I want this one. Lala.
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 You want this one? Or Lala. Lala.
Comes with paint, 3 of these wooden bunnies, and 2 paintbrushes. I don't know why it didn't come with 3 paintbrushes. Okay. So pretty. Sophia's been in her pajamas all day. Cute. Ooh, I like yours, Lay. Let's see yours, Shook. Cute. I love it. So cute. Let me see. Hold it still. Cute. Tomorrow's the girls' picture day. So in a little bit, we're going to discuss how we're going to do the hairs tomorrow. Hi, baby. You got mommy's phone? You got mama's phone? Yeah.
I'm going to do exactly like that, but the curls are going to be like more curly.
Oh, really?
And less straight.
Super cute.
Yeah.
Hey, bud. We also got these little color your own ornaments from the Dollar Tree. There's 10 of them in here. Such a good steal. I've been debating whether or not to move these right here. I think when I had my easy plant right here in the corner, it looked a lot better because there was like color and it was green. But now I feel like it's just like too white and bright over here, which I'm not really into at the moment. So I think I might take these down and put this home sign up. Plus I have more black in the house anyway, so I think it might be incorporated really nicely in here. So I'm gonna put it up and then you guys tell me in the comments what you guys like. You guys like the sweet, savory, and spicy stuff or this right here?
I want to see the home run. I really like the sweet, savory, and spicy.
Me too. Maybe it's time for a change though, huh?
Yeah. Because we've had those up on every wall that was close to this table in every single house.
At our old house, huh?
Yeah.
I would have to center it a little bit more to make it flush with the mirror, but I like it like this. I think I'm gonna leave it there for a couple of days and see how I like it. I'm gonna make a super yummy classic for dinner, super easy, super cheap, just hamburger helper beef pasta with some corn on the side or some type of veggies, and bam, that's gonna be dinner. I'll show you guys my little Target haul after I get the kids in bed, after we do dinner time and our bedtime routine.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
All these dishes I have to do before the end of the night. Sometimes all you need is a little bit of hamburger helper, and this literally took like 20 minutes, no time at all. And tonight we're eating on paper plates. Thank you to everyone who recommended paper plates because they've been a lifesaver here. Okay, so I hope you guys can see me. I don't know if the camera's high enough, but all the kids are sleeping and I wanted to show you guys everything that I got from Target today. So the first thing that I got was candy coated chocolate eggs. I'm just gonna refill these in our little Easter dish M&Ms. And then I actually ran into TJ Maxx when it was just me and Maxwell. Earlier today I had something to return, and then with the return money I got this. 2 little terry cloth headbands. There's a mint green one and then like a baby blue one. And these were $5.99. And then I got these cute smiley face bag clips that are also magnets for $3.99, and I figure I can put these in the kids' Easter baskets, and there's 8 of them. There's some light pink ones, some hot pink ones, some blue ones, and some purple ones. These were really cute. These were also from TJ Maxx. And then from Target, I got sight word flashcards for Layla for $1. She's been having a little bit of trouble with her sight words, so I got her some flashcards. These are from Target. And then I got these shirts that were on sale. They're 30% off right now. This color's kind of bright, but you guys know I wear a lot of pink and a lot of neutral colors, so I'm kind of outside of my comfort zone, but I feel like this will be really pretty for the springtime with some little cut-off shorts, or even these black leggings or some cute biker shorts. These are all 30% off right now. You guys can maybe run to your Target and get some of these shirts for 30% off because the sale ends on Saturday. I got a white one, just a plain white tee. And then I got this neutral colored tan one. And then it has a stripe down the back. I got size extra large. I like the oversized look. And then a lot of you guys have been noticing my thinning hair up here, and I just struggle with thinning hair up top. So when I'm like really struggling with it and I just have not good confidence from it, I will buy the Magic Root cover up. This right here works wonders. I'll show you guys in a upcoming video how it works. It's just like a spray paint for the top of your head, and you spray it on and then you can't tell that you're thinning hair up there. It's like a miracle in a bottle. And then I'm doing a car organizing video super soon, within the next week or 2 weeks or so. So I got these little bags. These can also double as car organizing bags for the kids, plus beach bags. I got Maxwell, Sophia, Shook, and Layla all one. I got Maxwell this blue one, and they're really nice. I feel like a waterproof material. And then I got the girls these 3 pink ones, and these were all $3 each. Really good quality for $3. And they're big. You can fit lots of things in there. So these will be for my car organizing video. I can organize all the kids' little supplies and toys and coloring books and stuff in here when we go on road trips, or when we go to the river or the beach and have a beach day. These are really going to come in handy. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I would love to have you part of our little YouTube family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one. I know I said earlier that you guys would see this video on a Friday, but I just got approved by a brand, so I think that video needs to go up first, and then this one will go up maybe Sunday. So keep your eye open for the next couple of videos. Bye guys.